Yeah.
Y'all sell these like little Japanese 4x4s here or something?
Yeah, once or twice.
All right.
Oh, she's home. It's only the body. Where it matters is it's always been okay. Yeah. But the body just ran away. When I got it, it had some rust over here. And some very like light rust on the doors and stuff like that. But as time went on, it just got...
Yeah, back in the glove box.
Alright, cool.
We don't lose it.
Yeah, it just got crusty over the years.
Oh, actually, before I forget, here, can I get that plate back in case I want to transfer it to something?
Yeah.
Let me grab that plate ready.
Gear oil.
That warm gear oil is plenty.
Bring the thunder.
Knock, knock.
Yeah. Who's there? 3A.
Knock, knock. Well, that's not terrible.
I mean,
That's rally ready.
yeah.
That's pretty bad.
I think it got worse when I loaded it. Let me,
Okay, you're clear.
This is the sketchiest fucking.
okay. Bye, guys. The idle's fine. Doesn't sound horrible at idle. I think what happened was it was just burning oil for whatever fucking reason.
I broke a piston ring or a skirt.
Bingo. That's actually
probably what it
exactly
is.
happened.
Because I've had it before with these, unfortunately, especially with these aftermarket pistons, because they're cheap Chinese crap. They don't really. It stinks because I put a lot of money in this thing. I get 50,000 miles to rebuild, but I've seen it multiple times when they get around to that age, and then that's when they start getting wore out. Usually it's just wore rings, but the rings don't last. But I bet you it's a piston skirt that snapped.
Yeah, at the meet and greet, we ran this thing hard.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, she went out in a blaze of glory for sure.
What are they read up to? Like, what's.
The red line is 6,500, I think, and they go to 8.
Oh, it was definitely at that red line going up that one big hill.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it starts at, you can see it over here. Yeah, it starts at 6.
Don't back up, whatever you do.
It starts at 6, but.
You just scared the crap out of Bear. He was right behind the tailpipe.
Sorry.
Look at all the change. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, you can hear it now.
The physical crankcase was good.
Look at all the smoke inside the car.
It had a buildable core.
It definitely has the noise is amplified.
Who is it?
Hello?
Knock, knock. It's getting worse. You can tell she's warmed up now. Let's make it even worse again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, you can go ahead. Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Bear can go in the car with you if you're doing that.
Well, that's all she wrote. You're right, the motor was bad.
My name's Luke, and this is Jackass.
Oh, look at all the oil. Dude. Oh, the starter flew out. Look.
Oh! It had a good starter.
Holy crap.
Wait, Oh, is that, okay.
Oh, yeah. Something shot the starter completely out of it. All right, let's take this off.
Well, I guess it was cylinder number 4, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I signed the title. Bye.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Yeah. Oh, is that some shrapnel under there? Oh,
Come
yeah,
down.
there's part of the rod right there, bud. Oh, I see.
You got a trophy right there.
Oh.
Poor Spud.
Spud. Oh,
Well, this is a motor you built, right?
Yes, years and years ago.
Well, looks like I brought it into this life. I'm taking it out.
I already have a 4A, which is a bigger motor. Bait not ready, it's just got to get gone through, but it's going in it. So.
Yeah, you got a steak or something?
It'll cool down.
Perfect clip. I just zoomed out on this, and then you just hear, you got a steak or something?
Forward first. Yeah, well, you kind of want to just back it up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, just let it.
Oh, yeah, right through.
Oh, yeah. Let the oil
Yeah, we'll swing it right between these other 2 cars over here. Oh, we're good. How many points to go through the fence? 4? All right. Gonna drop just a touch right there. A little bit of a cinder block.
So now front wheel drive car is just kind of trapped forever.
Yeah, it happens. Is that song copyrighted?
No, I deliberately opened up the shitty recorder version.
Take a picture of this.
We do the Lion King thing with the oil on Luke's forehead.
Oh, good times. All right, well, as you guys kind of saw by the beginning of that video, that was my 1985 Toyota Tercel 4-wheel drive, the one that started this whole thing for me. This is Spud, right over here, and she's a little worse for wear, especially now that I blew the motor up. So, this car I actually sold to my friend Dave. Just kind of, I had so many projects. I mean, not that much has changed, but I was overwhelmed with projects. I had just gotten the MG and the Model A for my grandparents, and then I had just gotten the Cara, but I had just gotten Spud 2. I had a lot going on a couple years ago, and I could not keep everything. So I passed this on to Dave. He was a great caretaker, took good care of her, drove the crap out of her, gave her a good time at life, and did everything he could have to keep her going. But unfortunately, something went wrong with cylinder 4. For one reason or another, I'm not 100% sure why. I believe a piston skirt probably cracked, if I had to guess. And it started losing compression on cylinder 4, and it kind of ran like crap. It was blowing oil all over the place. And that unfortunately meant it needed a motor. So we kind of went back and forth. We were trying to plan out when to do a motor on it and things like that. And then we ended up just settling on he would sell me the car back. So I bought it back from him. And now I'm going to go ahead and give her another chance at life because she deserves it. This is the car that started it all for me. And unfortunately, she has gotten extremely rusty over the last couple of years. So this is actually probably a good time to announce that I am thinking about selling t-shirts for the very first time. This is something that I've kind of came across the idea of quite a few times on and off. I've just never officially committed. But the t-shirt design is going to be this right here. So it will be probably 6 months, if not maybe more, before I actually get to this car and get these t-shirts and stuff done. But if there's something that's actually of any interest to any of you guys, please let me know in the word spot. They'll be fairly cheap. I'm not going to go ahead and mark them up like crazy. It just is going to be a little bit to help support the channel and help save Spud, the OG Tercel in my life. This is a car I flew out on my very first time ever being on a plane, by the way, all the way to, I don't remember where the first flight landed, but I ended up in New York. And I took a Uber from New York to Connecticut and then gave the guy $500 and drove her almost 1,000 miles home back in February of 2019. She's been out to 27 or 28 states under my ownership. This car has seen a lot. I've had a lot of laughs and cries and tears of both happiness and insanity at points working on this old girl over the years. But we're gonna save her. We're gonna fix her up because she's worth it. So hope you guys enjoyed this random little snippet of Spud returning back home. Kind of the most random way to bring her into my ownership again, but yeah. Anyway, back to working on the 87 DLI or the 86 SR5, the Dakar Rally clone, because she really needs it. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Adios.